Hi and welcome. This video is going to teach you how to do a comparable market analysis, a CMA, using Realist. Log into your dashboard, go to Realist, remember to please hit like and also to subscribe so you can see further videos that I upload. Okay, let's pick the address that you're going to be doing the comparable market analysis on. I'm going to use this address here that I was using earlier. Okay, once you select go to where it says comparables. Okay, it's going to give you a list of comparables here. And we want to choose the most recent ones. This is pretty recent. And as you can see, we also use the ones that are, this one seems like a little bit of a low sale, so I'm going to take that off. This is a low sale as well. This one as well. As you can see, the average is around 350. Let's take out these low sales. Excuse me. Move this 269. You really only need to pick 3 properties, but I like to get as many as I can to get a good average. Okay, Now that you have the property that you've selected for the comparable report, just hit generate comps here on the bottom. It's going to show you that the subject properties here in red, and these are the comps that we selected around it. Check out the report here. It says that the high is 386, low 330, medium 356, which gives you an average of 356 for this property. So this property is worth anywhere between 356 and 386. Okay, and you could save this report, print it, or email it. And that's how you do a performance analysis using the program Realist.